Notice number bonds to work out sums quicker. So as soon as you see or recognize in a sum a number bond, you can solve sums much quicker because you automatically made 10, so then you're adding the 10, whether it be just a one-digit number and a one-digit number. 5 and 5, I know 5 and 5 is 10. Quick and easy. With these sorts of numbers, when we're looking at 2 digits and 2 digits, we should be looking at the ones and thinking, right, 4 and 6, that's 10. I've got 10 there, 10 and 10 is 20, 4 and 6 is 10, 20 and 10, 30. Add the 10s, add the 1s. If they're equal to 10, add the 1 10 and leave the 1s as 0, like so. This is how quick we should be looking at math sums, looking at the additions and knowing 4 and 6 is 10. 22 and 48. Add the 10s first. We've got 2 10s and 4 10s, 6 10s. I know that 2 and 8 equals 10. 60, add 10 is 70.